Today was awesome. I think it's great to bring the community together. When you come here after training and you see how excited these kids are, I mean, it just puts a smile on your face, and I think it's amazing. I think they all had a great time. I had a great time for sure, and I think it'll continue to be a blessing here with this amazing field with the help of Toro. I think it's a great place, and I think they'll enjoy it, and it was awesome, a great day.
At Toro, we love to partner with other stakeholders in our community that share the commitment to the outdoors, to working with kids, to helping them maintain healthy lifestyles by getting them active in our communities. So this was a great project for us from the very start, where we could focus in an area of our community that had a pitch that needed to be rebuilt to create a safe environment for our kids, and do it together with the Minnesota United. It was actually very rewarding and great to see kids benefiting and utilizing the field today.
A big part of that is showing up and being present, and a lot of them gave me a run for my money today. I'm quite tired. But that's what it's about, building a place for kids to show up and be themselves, and thanks to our partners Toro for inspiring and uniting the world's game, soccer, here in St. Paul.